Okay. Yeah. Hello all.
Yes, sir.
So I think everybody is there. Aditya, Chetan, Javed, Santosh. I'm able to see everybody today. Okay, fine, good.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, let us go to the smart forms. So this is what yesterday what we have done. We have done until
Column headers.
the details window. We have done until the detail window. I will just try to execute the program.
Yes, sir.
So till this part we have done. So we have already printed the serial number, item number, material number, description, quality. These things we have written here. Now I want to bring the details from VBRP table. I want to print the details in the main window from VBRP table. So what we have done, we went inside the program and we have written a select query from VBRP table.
Yes, sir.
So I already got the details from VBRP table. And once I got the details from the VBRP table, I am passing the IT underscore VBRP, this table, to the corresponding smart form. So we are passing this detail to the smart form. So up to till this part we have discussed yesterday. Now let us see how to put the values required for us in the smart form. So now go here, like go to the main window, click on the main window, right click, and go in a change mode first. Now right click, create. There is something called table. So now right click, create table. A table has three portions. A table has header, main area and footer. Okay. Header means something like in the script we learned about the command top and end top. Top and end top is something like when you want to put some heading inside the loop, a header portion will be executed only once. Okay. And footer, in the script we learned about the bottom and end bottom. So bottom and end bottom means it will be inside the loop, but it will be something like it will be executed only at the end of the loop. Otherwise, you can also compare this with the control break statement at last, and header you can compare with at first. Okay, so header means actually this main window means main window always running inside the loop, but the header will execute only once. Footer will also execute only once, and main area will display the actual data. So now what I will do, I will try to divide this into different lines. Like I want to put the serial number, then I want to put the item number, material description, everything. Yesterday we have done the same thing for the template here.
Yes.
The column headings, we have created a template, correct? In the template we have divided into lines, different lines we have divided. So now I will divide this table also into the same number of lines. So before dividing that, see this main window. Go to this main window and see what is the width of this main window. What is the width of main window? 16 centimeters. So remember this width of the main window and then go inside the table, go to the detail. Okay, so here what you can do is, yesterday we have created one Excel file, correct? I will try to just take out that Excel file. So that I can see the lens book 1. Yeah. So yesterday, you remember, these are the things, like these many centimeters we have allocated for each and every cell,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes.
So now the same centimeters I will allocate for the cells in this template also. I'll go here, I'll give the name of this as line type 1, L type 1. So the total length is 16 centimeters. I want the first cell
1.5.
width as 1.5 centimeters. 1.5.
1.5. Okay. 2.5.
Material number I want 2.5 centimeters.
3.
After that 3.
2.5.
After that 2.5.
2.5.
Click on this button to add another column. Another 2.5 centimeters. Another 2.5 centimeters. So like this, I have divided the line type into different cells. So this is called the line type, L type here. L type means a line type. Click on the table painter. Okay, now if you observe, this is divided into different cells.
Yes, sir.
Total all, if you combine all the cells, we'll call it as a line type.
Yes, sir.
Line type name is L type 1.
Okay, sir.
Now save this. Okay, put your cursor on main area. Put your cursor on main area. Right click. Create table line. Go and create a table line. When you create a table line, it will ask the line type.
L type.
Line type means just now we have created L type 1. Okay, so if you see this drop down, here L type 1 will be there. So select this L type 1. When you select the L type 1, automatically all the cells are coming up here. You have divided totally into 7 cells. So for 7 cells, it is giving individual cells here. Now save this. Now in the first cell, what I want in the first cell, I want to put the serial number. The second cell, I want to put the item number. Third cell, material number, and so on. Like that, I want to put different values.
Yes.
First of all, what I need to do, I need to loop the internal table. Which internal table? IT underscore VBRP, item table. If you go to the form interface and if you go to the tables, yesterday we have declared this IT underscore VBRP, like VBRP. This is the internal table. Okay. I want to loop this internal table. Maybe this internal table is having 4 or 5 items. I will loop, and then I will take the record into the work area. I will write the work area details inside the main window. Fine. So what I will do, go to the global declarations or global definitions to declare a work area. So how can I declare a work area? Go to the global definitions, declare here work area 3, type
BBR.
VBRP. You can declare a work area like this. Okay? But generally what we'll do, we will not declare work area for looping in the smart form. What we'll do, generally we'll declare something called field symbol for looping. Field symbol and work area both are something like same. Okay, so what I will do, instead of giving this work area, I'll go to this field symbol tab. There is something called field symbol here. Click on the field symbol tab. Let me just delete this. Yeah, I'll delete and I'll go to the field symbols. So here I will give work area 3, WA3, type VBRP. Okay. So whenever you are giving a field symbol, you need to put greater than and less than symbol. That means you need to put the work area in between greater than and less than symbol. So put the work area name in between a greater than and less than symbol like this. So this is the representation of field symbol. So what we have given, field symbol WA3, type VBRP. I'll save this. Now I will come to the table. I'll go to the data. Here there is a loop statement. If you observe, loop the internal table. Which internal table we are trying to loop? IT underscore VBRP. So I'll give here IT underscore VBRP into what is our work area name. We have not given a work area, we have given a field symbol. So I'll give WA3. So this is the syntax, this is how you need to loop the internal table. And one more thing, whenever looping, you are looping, what you will do, loop at iTab into work area, that is a syntax. Okay, but now this is not the work area, this is a field symbol. Whenever you are using a field symbol, the syntax what you need to use is loop at iTab assigning work area. If you drop down this, assigning is there. You select also do loop at iTab into work area. So do this and save this. So now what we have done, we made the loop based on IT VBRP. Now I want to put the serial number in the first cell. How can I put a serial number in the first cell?
By counting.
Serial number means I want to declare a counter, then once I declare the counter, I need to increment the counter, then I can put the serial number, correct?
Yes, sir.
So in the smart form, where can I declare the variables? In the global data, correct? In the global definition.
Yes, sir.
So I want to declare a variable now. So I am declaring a variable name is counter, type,
C.
I'll take
Character.
char 3 characters. I'll save it, check it. I think char 3 is not allowed. I'll check it. Let us see. Generic type is not allowed or something it will say. Okay, fine. It's not a problem. It's taking it. Not a problem. So I have declared one variable counter type 3 characters. Now what I will go? I'll go to this cell, first cell. Right click, create, flow logic, program lines. I want to create some program lines here.
Yes, sir.
If you are dealing with the script, what you need to do? In the driver program, you need to write the coding. Every code, that means all the parts of the coding you need to write in a driver program.
Yes, sir.
But in the smart farm, there is a provision to write the coding here also. You can write some code here also. Okay. So now, for this, what is the input? Counter. COUNTER. Input is a counter. This code has to give output also as a counter. And what it need to do? It need to increment the count. I will say count
Equals
COUNTER. Counter is equal to,
counter plus 1.
yeah, counter COUNTER plus 1. In this editor, actually you can write the select queries, you can write whatever you want, whatever you do in SE38, all the things you can do in this editor. So now I'll save this, check this, and activate. So see, if you observe this is already there in the main area, in the table, correct? Table is already inside the loop. So whenever loop is running, whenever the code comes, it will increment the counter. Okay? So that is what our assumption. And if you want to check the syntax error, you can check here. Whether any syntax errors are there in this editor, this thing can check. If you click on this check button, in the coding, if some syntax errors are there, that will be displayed. So now we got the counter. We are incrementing the counter every time. Now what I will do? I will right click, create text. Right click, create text. So now I have incremented the counter. Go to this editor.
Ampersand counter.
Go to change editor. I'll give some paragraph format P7 and in brackets in ampersands I'll give counter. So I'm printing the counter here. Okay, let me create the paragraph format. Once we create the paragraph format, we will come once again here. Then the next one, second cell, I want item number. Item number will be there in VBRP table, correct? I'll open the VBRP table for your reference here. So this is item number, billing item. What is the field name? POSNR. So I'll right click, create text, click on this editor, go to change editor. So what I will give here work area 3 hyphen POSNR, work area hyphen field name, but there is a field symbol. This is a field symbol, this is not work area. So you need to give the greater than and less than symbol. Field symbol hyphen POSNR, only this is the difference. Save it, come back. Oh, ampersands we need to give, sorry. We need to put the ampersands, I forgot to give the ampersands here. Give this ampersands at the beginning and ending. Now the next one, right click, create text. So next, in the third cell, what we are trying to give, in the third cell, we want to give the material number. Go to the VBRP table, for the material number, the field name is MATNR, obviously. So there will be somewhere MATNR. So this is the material number. One moment. I'll be back. So I'll go to change editor here. Next cell, I want to give the material description.
ARKTX.
Yeah, ARKTX. So material description is done. After that, the next one is quantity.
NET.
Quantity means FKIMG, I think. So yeah, FKIMG is actual invoiced quantity. Next, what is the next cell we want to put? We want to put the unit price, and after that the net price. In the table, actually net price is available. Unit price is not available.
Yes.
So if we divide the net price with the quantity, say for example, quantity is 5 and net price is 500. If I divide 500 by 5, then I'll get per piece, per unit price, that is 100. Okay. So unit price, if I want to divide a net price with the quantity.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is the net price? Net price means NETWR. If I come down, there is something called NETWR. NETWR means net price. This is the net price.
Yes.
Okay. So what I will do? I'll go to the smart form. In the cell 6, I'll create, right click,
Declare one variable.
create flow logic program lines. I'll create program lines. Okay. So here the input parameter is field symbol WA3, and the output also I'll put field symbol WA3, and unit price we will calculate. So we need to declare a variable
Yes, sir.
to get the value of the unit price. So I'll go here, global definition. I'll create one variable here, U price, PRIC, type. So this is the price, this is the currency format.
Yes, sir.
So let me go to the VBRK table and see what is the field type they have given for net price. For net price, see what is the data element they have given. This is the one for net price.
Yes, sir.
So take this data element and give it here. So what will happen? If you give the data element, it will get the currency of 15 length and decimals 2. This currency length 15 and decimals 2 will applicable for unit price. Save this. So now come back to your code lines. So here what I can say is U price,
Equals
okay, U price, unit price is equal to
net price.
work area 3 hyphen
NETWR
net price divided by
work area 3
hyphen
FK.
quantity. Okay.
Yes.
So in the output parameters you also give U price. So now save it and check this. Any syntax errors are there? So check executed successfully. That means it's okay. So now unit price was calculated, and now what you will do? Right click, create text. So what I will do here? Right click, create text. In the text, give the U price. Here, go to the editor. Go to change editor. I will give here U price. Right click, the last one, right click, create text. Here what I want to do, I want to print the net price. Go to change editor. Print the net price. Come back and save this. So like this, we have created all the texts and else. Now let me define the paragraph formats for this. Okay, I'll go to the smart styles. I'll save this. Go to the smart style. So we have already created 5 paragraph formats. I'll create the 6th paragraph format by copying this. P6 I have created. Only what the difference I'll make is I'll remove the bold.
Yes, sir.
I don't want a bold. And I will create another paragraph format by copying this. P7. So in the P7, what I will do, I will make the alignment as right alignment. Save this. So now I have created 2 paragraph formats, one with the left alignment and one with the right alignment. Now activate this style. Go back to your invoice. Go to change mode. Now go to the main window, go to the table, go to the main area. So here in the cell 1, this is serial number. Serial number is a number. So give the right alignment. Always prefer right alignment for the number. So I'll give P7. So this is cell 2, this is item number, this is item number. If you want to give a right alignment, you can give, of course. It's also a number because item number I'll give P7. And the next one is material number. Material number may have a characters and digits, both it can have. So I'll give this as a right alignment. So I'll give as a paragraph 6. This is a material description. So it is a text compulsory. So I'll give paragraph 6. Next one is quantity. Quantity means it's a digit. So I'll give right alignment. Next one is a unit price. Price is always a number. So give the
Right alignment.
right alignment. And the net price also right alignment. Activate your smart form. So now go to the program, driver program, activate your program and execute. So now if you observe, serial number is coming up, item numbers are coming, material descriptions are coming, and quantity, unit price and net price, all these are coming up. But the thing is, what happening? These are coming, quantity, unit price, net price are coming one line below, and serial number, item number, material descriptions are coming just above. This is the first line. Then the corresponding second line is this one. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now what I will do, see, unit price, see, now 8150 divided by 5000 is nothing but 1630.
Yes, sir.
That's what our calculation, correct? Net price divided by 5000 is equal to 1630. Like that we have done. Okay. So now what I will do, to align this, I will put one line space for each and everything. That means serial number, item number, material description. For all these 4 fields, I will put one line space. I will go to the layout. I will go to the serial number. Press enter. Item also press enter. So that one line it will go down. Material number press enter. And material description also press enter and activate. Once you activate, again execute the smart form to see the alignment. So now if you see, everything will be in line. Serial number 1, item number, material description, quantity, unit price, net price, everything is in line. Okay. So this is how you can print the details in the main window. Okay. And you can do the calculations.
Sir?
Now the next thing is the totals.
Sir?
Totals window.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can we give tables also, sir, for this one? Means in the item, lines by line. Just like what you have given in the column heading.
Oh, lines you want.
Lines.
Okay.
So bifurcation is will be.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you want to give the line, yeah, of course you can give it.
Yes, sir.
But the thing, what will happen?
Yeah.
There are four items. So line will come till here only.
Okay.
Okay, item number there are 4. So line will come. A vertical line begins here and it comes till here. That's it. It will stops.
Yes.
Okay. But we want the full line, correct? You want the full line.
Yes, sir.
Then what you'll do? You can create a frame.
Yes.
What I'll try to do it and show it to you. So what I'll suggest is, there is a main window, correct? So what I'll do, I'll create one more window, create window. So I will name this as mainframe, main window frame. I'll name this as main window frame. So main window, what are all the margins of main window? 2.5, 16, 10.5, 10. I'll make the same margins here also. 2.5,
16.
16, 10.5 and 10. So now what happened? Both the windows overlapping on each other, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do, in the column details I have created, in the column headings I have created one template,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes,
I
sir.
will copy that template, and I will
Paste it in main
paste
window.
it in main window frame. Paste. Okay, in the template, inside the template, if any texts are there, I don't want any texts, so I'll remove the text. I'll delete the text. Click on delete button, so it will get deleted. Okay, so now if you look into this template has, like, vertical cells.
Yes.
It also has a pattern. It also has a vertical line pattern.
Yes.
Correct, this pattern. Now select this, activate. Now go to the form and execute. But why it is coming here till this portion only?
Sir,
Because
template height we have given only 10.
yeah,
20.
template height, because of the template height, correct. So go here, mainframe template. So what is the width of this window? Main window frame, what is the height of the window?
20.
10.5 or 10?
Tens.
Maybe, let us see.
Tens.
Height is 10, correct, 10. So I'll go here, template details, template height is 10. Now the line will come up to the 10 centimeters. Okay, so now this is something like, so lines were there. Fine.
Yes.
So see, if you observe what is happening here, this line and one is almost touching.
Yes, sir.
Correct, and these are all almost touching. To avoid this, what to do?
We need to give right margins
Where?
in the paragraph formats.
In the paragraph format, correct. So go to the paragraph format, and in the paragraph format you maintain the left margin or right margin.
Yes.
So that it will be some more clear. Okay.
Yes.
So then the next thing is, let us come to the total window.
Yes, sir.
Total window, here I want to get the total.
Total price.
Okay. How to get the total? What I'll do, I'll go to the smart form, go to the global definition.
We need to
I'll create a variable here, total
type,
same currency format. I'll give data element. I'll go to the main window, table, program lines. Here we are already making some calculation for net price, correct?
Yes, sir.
So here itself I will make the total also. What I will do here, total is equal to total plus
work area 3 FKM.
Yeah,
Work area 3 unit,
work area 3
unit price.
NETWR, net price.
Right.
I want to put the net price total. Okay, so net price total I am putting, and here I want to print the output total. So what I will do, I will click here, I will put here total in the output options. TOTR. Save it. So now you have calculated the total. Go to the totals window, right click, create text, and you write it here. Like I'll go to the change editor and write. I'll give here net total and in ampersand I'll go total. Come back. Then I'll give the, what I will do, I'll put the character format bold for this. I'll put the bold character format. From the outside itself I want to put, I'll put this character format, and paragraph format, right alignment I will put for this. Okay, so I'm putting the character format and paragraph format both for this. Save it. Check it and activate. Now let us check whether the total is coming out. So the total is coming out, correct? So this is our net total. So now the next thing is we want to take the remit to address, correct? We want to take the remit to, and then we also need to take the signatures here. We need to put the signature part here, and then footer here, and something we forgot, something we call conditions. Okay, so we also need to check the conditions. I will tell you the flow of remit to account. Calculations will for remit to will do tomorrow in the next class, but what is the flow I will tell you now. Remit to means the account holder, correct?
Yes.
That means a company. Now invoice will be given by a company. So now if you observe, there is a transaction FI13, FI13. FI13 is the transaction to check the house bank accounts. That means bank accounts which were there for a particular company. Say for example, I will give the company code 1000. For this 1000, what are the bank accounts available? See, this is called house bank. House bank 1000 is there. Bank country is Germany. This is called bank key. There will be a bank key to identify the bank uniquely. So this is some bank key is there, 50070010 or something. This is a Deutsche Bank. If you observe this is Citibank. This is a ABN AMRO Bank. Like this, a company can have a different bank accounts in different banks. Correct. So these are all the details. House bank. So where we can see this? We can see this in
FI13.
FI13 transaction. Otherwise, if you want to see the details in the table, go to S11. Open the table T012. Open the table T012. So this is the table for house bank. Give here company code 1000. So if you observe the same details, previous whatever you have seen in FI13, same thing you can see here. So this is a company code, this is a house bank ID, this is the bank key. Okay, to identify the bank uniquely, this is a bank key. So now what you need to do? The company can give any bank ID. Correct. So a company finally want you to deposit money in their account. They may decide the house bank ID, and they will tell you the house bank ID. Then what you need to do? Go to the table BNKA. There is a table called BNKA to see the account number details. So this is the table BNKA. So in BNKA, you need to give the country and bankal. These two are coming from the table T012. This is the bank key. If you give this, what will happen? You can come to know the account number. See, and bank address. This is the bank address. This is the street of the bank. This is the Deutsche Bank group. This is the street of the bank, and this is the country, and so on and so forth. You can get the bank address details from here. Okay. So we will see the flow of this bank address, and remaining two other windows are left, and that part, and how to attach the smart form into a standard transaction, that will finish in the next class. Okay. So bank address, actually this remit to address, this was this I have not told to your previous batches. Actually for them we have not that means I have not included, like for your smart form I have just included this remit to address concept also. For them actually there is only one window. In your previous classes, if you observe, there will be only one window, and then there will be only signatures of the customer and signature of the concerned security person. Okay. So now here, that means from your class onwards, I am just trying to tell you about the bank details also, where to remit the account details. Okay. So let us see this concept, how to get the address of the bank and the account number details with the more details in the next class, and try to practice
Yes, sir.
this main window for today. Main window, the important thing is there are two things. First one is a template to put the column headings, and second one is a table. What is the difference between a template and table?
Template.
In template you will mention the height, maybe 1 centimeter or maybe 10 centimeters. You will mention the height, but in the table you will not mention the height. The height will expand automatically. So that is first difference. And the second difference between a template and main window is template cannot have any partitions. Main window have three portions, that is a header,
Main.
main and footer.
Footer.
It has three partitions. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So let me stop here, continue in the next class. Probably we will continue tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, at what time, sir?
At what time you can just check with the Rajkumar. Rajkumar is there. Can you just call him?
1 second, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Sir, he is not there. He is gone for breakfast, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Then
I will
what
confirm
you
it,
can do?
Rajkumar, sir.
Yeah.
I will.
Yeah. Because okay. I think Rajkumar has all of your contact details. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So maybe Rajkumar will call you and inform you, because there is a one more batch tomorrow. I
Yes.
don't know. I need to adjust their batch timings and your batch timings also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So once a Rajkumar comes, then I can decide on the things and I can inform you. Okay.
Sir, will you come to Basveshwar Nagar, sir, tomorrow?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll come to Bashveshwar Nagar tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
That's what. Let me decide. If Rajkumar says there are no systems are available or something clash is going to happen, then it will. Then I cannot. Otherwise, I will come. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will inform to Rajkumar,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Fine.
Bye.
Fine.